Okay, let's see. Typha, latifolia. This is the cattail, if I'm getting the name right. It's in its own family. It's a monocot, so it's more related to grasses. It just seems fairly obvious. Broad-leafed. I'm not climbing down the swamp to grab a leaf, but they're spongy, woven into mats often enough. But you can see there's a flowering structure right there. The female is the bottom part, and the male part is the upper part. And the pollen has long been shed, and so you have this really fluffy hot dog-like structure. And those blow around, and so they end up all over the place where there's water, so they're quite common. But anyway, very tall. It looks like 4 or 5 feet worth of stem. This is a peculiar plant in that it produces these rhizomes that are really quite succulent. And there's a little loose spruce over there behind the aspen. But anyway, fibrous, a little bit fibrous, not terribly fibrous, but very edible. This is a lot of carbohydrate right here. This is perfectly edible. They don't have a strong taste, kind of chunky, starchy sort of thing. But like a lot of monocots, usually it's juncus that people go after, but cattails are perfectly fine. You know, cook them and soak them a little. But perfectly edible food. It's puzzling why this isn't an actual food. It has so many uses. But anyway, cattails. Dare I say, this is a weed in this country because it is a European plant. But if it comes down to the starvation, see if you can find some cattails and dig up the rhizomes, and you will be in good shape for a while versus like tree bark or something like that. But anyway, cattails, I am baffled why this isn't a crop, because the tubers are they're like that. Maybe it's the processing. But anyway, cattails. Latifolia refers to the leaf. It's flat. The other species tends to have round leaves and then a kind of a globular flower structure. So anyway, you can see it likes to sit in water.